My goal is to only spend less than $60 to get all of this done, to see if we could flip it to $1,000. So I'm starting a new side hustle and I wanted to take y'all along with me. I've never done this, of course, but we're going to see together. Like, y'all are going to see the ins and outs. I was going to do day by day off of the passive income. And there's so many people who I've been watching and learning from about YouTube automation that I want to learn it. Like, I want to learn it so bad. So I'm going to take y'all along with me to see how this go. You didn't know, YouTube automation is basically a faceless channel. And it took me a while to actually choose a niche. I think that's what took the longest, honestly. Y'all know I try to do stuff with either very little money or no money, because I know once I do it, I'm going to show it to beginners especially. And I started off trying to make the whole process and do the whole process myself instead of outsourcing it. So it pretty much went a little bit like this. So this is what I was going by and using. And mind you, this is some really good information. So this is literally all the steps that I followed to actually do it using AI tools. But it was just looking too generic and I did not like it. Like, it literally, the AI tools literally made the script, made the voiceover, made the video, but it just wasn't put together so well as if a human would have done it, in my opinion. I just feel like it could have been better. So I had uploaded that video literally to a channel and the video did not do good at all. We didn't get any views, no subscribers, like nothing. I also, because I'm all about marketing on different platforms, I'm not just going to leave it up to YouTube. I also made a whole brand new TikTok account to actually market this faceless channel as well. And that one video that I put on that TikTok channel, a little over 2,000 views as the first video. So I think it was pretty good, but it was the fact that everything was not aligning together. So I started back over from scratch. I hired a script writer, I hired a video editor, and I hired a thumbnail maker. So I literally started a completely brand new channel from scratch just to see how this goes. I'm not going to be counting as like day one, day two, because this is like behind the scenes. This is actually like day 6, okay? Because I already got the script from the script writer and I sent the script to the video editor. I'm going to start day 1, like seeing the results, how it goes, when I actually post the video on. So I started this process on September 12th, 2023, and it is now September the 19th, okay? Now within this process, of course, we haven't uploaded any videos yet, so we were in the process of finding script writers, video editors, thumbnail creators, etc. And let's just say that's been a job within itself. Specifically on day 7, and we have 0 subscribers on this brand new channel, and I've just sent over the script to the video editor today. All in all, my goal is to only spend less than $60 to get all of this done, to see if we could flip it to $1,000.